Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the headrest on your BMW X5. Understanding these adjustments is key for both comfort and safety during your drives. We'll cover the different types of headrests you might encounter, including both manual and electric options, and how to properly position them. Getting this right can significantly improve your driving experience and provide crucial protection for your neck. For manual headrests, typically found in the rear or on some front seats, the process is straightforward. First, locate the small release button or lever, usually found at the base of the headrest where it meets the seat back. Press and hold this button firmly, then slide the headrest up or down to your preferred height. Release the button to lock it into place, ensuring it clicks securely. Many BMW X5 models feature electric headrest adjustments, especially for the front seats. You'll find the controls integrated with the other electric seat adjustments, usually on the side of the seat base. Look for a small switch that mimics the shape of the headrest. Simply push this switch up or down to adjust the height. Some advanced systems also allow for fore and aft movement, providing even more personalized comfort. Proper headrest positioning is vital for safety. The top of the headrest should ideally be level with the top of your head, or at least with the top of your ears. Also, try to keep the gap between the back of your head and the headrest as small as possible, ideally less than 2 inches. This critical adjustment provides optimal support and significantly reduces the risk of whiplash in the event of a rear-end collision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.